Good morning. Afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah, 15 minutes afternoon.
Yep.
So, I'm Luke, this is Ryan, my Chunky Travellers. Blah, blah, blah. What are we doing today, mate?
I don't know.
This guy just woke up again. He's much cuter in the morning, isn't he? That raspy voice.
Oh, boy.
No, today, we got lots on today. First and foremost being, we're putting a diff in. We got to put the diff in, do a heap of tightening and stuff. A lot of this stuff is all loose, so we got to tighten all that. But yeah, got to put the diff in. What are you going to do, mate?
Sand.
Yeah, he's got lots of sanding to do. So Sunday we're painting it. It's going to be painted Sunday.
Today's Wednesday.
It is, yeah. So you got plenty of time to do it.
Yeah.
Should be quite easy to get done, but we've got to do a bit of bogging and stuff too. So yeah, our good mate Scotty, he's I always feel like saying Scotty McLaughlin whenever I say Scotty.
Yeah, they're both legends.
Both heroes in our eyes. But anyway, Scotty, he's from MUDDYS Offroad, so he's going to come around on Sunday, paint it for us, and we're just going to feed him. So that's the plan. We got our engine mounts as well, so we're going to put the engine mounts in. Yeah, what else did I get today? Engine mounts, diff. Oh, we got spacers. I'll show you those. They're pretty cool.
Radiator stuff.
I didn't get any radiator stuff, but I bought. Actually, it's a fright of my life actually, because I was at Aeroflow at the host shed, and it adds up really quick. So whenever you go in there, make sure you ask what things cost a meter, because I didn't, and it was really, 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 really expensive. So, but they did a good discount. They were pretty good. But anyway, these are our wheel spacers. So the problem we had, if Ryan, can you lift up that axle? Show the people. Yeah. So that there is that issue right there. That, what's that? 20 mil. 20 mil.
I was going to give that 23 mil.
Oh, good, because they're 25, so that might be just enough. That'll get crammed on there. So now our rim will sit nice and flat now, just on here. So hopefully. So yeah, Muddy's hooked us up with those as well. They'll put, so we can put our burnout tyres on. Let's
do this. Good afternoon. It's still afternoon from when we started.
Continued to be afternoon.
Good evening. It's closer to evening now.
It is. Yeah, I don't even know what I was going to say. I had something to say.
Diff,
that's it. Yeah. So we did a good thing. We finally actually succeeded in something.
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on?
Here we go.
Oh, look at that. What a cameraman. All right, come down here. Get down to my level, mate. So, yeah, so diff center, thanks to Muddy's, got shimmed up with a 0.7 mil shim.
In there.
And dude, did it. We could not even budget, like forcing it either side. So should be more than tight enough for what we're going to do, especially on these tiny little fellas. Yeah, so diffs in, obviously all this is, these are now on our 25mm spacer. So we've got a 25mm spacer in there, which keeps it off the actual knuckle, fat knuckle end of the axle anyway. Which makes us be able to fit these tiny hole rims.
Yeah, it wouldn't be chunky travellers without fat knuckles.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah, big fat 25mm spacers. Wish many things were 25mm. And then I got some bolts for the tail shaft. So the tail shaft's pretty much 50% in there.
It's in there.
Yeah, so
But it's on like a weird angle.
yeah, which it could be many things. Could be how it's meant to be, or all them people that said make sure you keep an eye on your driveline angle, and we thought we did, but that could be it too. We just
We had to use different engine mounts to drop it down because it wouldn't work. It wasn't working.
Yeah, I honestly don't know what happened, but yeah, I'm not going to say we did anything wrong. I think it'll be fine. Might not be ideal, and it might not even have anything wrong with it at all. That just might be how short wheelbase tail shafts sit. And even if it doesn't work, it's going to have a tail shaft hoop to catch it when it explodes out the back. So yeah, so we just thought we'd short and sweet diff video. So yeah, there was a time lapse in there that you would have already watched, showing how it was done and all the cool goodies that went onto it. But yeah, also while we're here, Ryan's been sanding.
I did sanding. So they're all mostly done. Just got to do all the backs now on the insides and stuff like that, but
Just all the crap stuff.
yeah, just the majorities.
This here's the mission though, eh?
Yeah, it's
Those
a pain.
stickers that are... Yeah, it's on there good, eh?
Sorry, battery died there. Alright, continue on.
Yeah, I was pretty much done.
Okay,
I think
good.
you said everything I needed to say. Yeah, so thanks for watching. We appreciate it. And,
Me not so much. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. Stay chunky.